Hi my friends, today we model this part with some interesting features and the drawing is here. We start by creating this contour at 18 millimeters, radius 10, radius 25, distance 65. Let's start. New standard millimeters IPT, this plane, rotate to have X on the right, then a circle with the radius of 25, another circle with the radius 10, the same horizontal for these centers, distance of 65, then we draw a tangent, press the left button and you have a tangent, you see, to go on the other circle with constraint tangent. Once again, press the left button, go to the other circle and find the moment when you see this mark. Okay, trim 1, 2, finish sketch, extrude on 18. Okay, you have to notice that here is an arc and here is also an arc, you see. This means that we have to cut the planar face. To do this we use dimensions, 30 millimeters from the center point. Here is the center point, and this is the axis. We must create this contour with 10 millimeters height and diameter of 125. Let's do this. We use XY plane for a new sketch. Then we project this line and this line. F7. We draw a vertical line between these two projected lines. We place the dimension of 30. Then we make this center line and we draw a line to be an arc. We press the left button here and we go somewhere here, then up, then close. This is 125 radius and this is 10. Finish. Revolve. Everything is already okay. Cut. And if you think better, this is a spherical face. Next is this area with dimension radius 32.5 and an offset of 6 is here, finishing also to this line. Okay. Once again, XY plane, F7, and we project this arc as a construction entity. Then we apply offset of 6 . We know that here is a vertical line. Okay, and we extend this line to there. Okay, trim of this, and we don't apply that 125 here, because we can use this sketch, visibility, and now we project this point. This is now in our sketch, and we also select this point. Okay, hide this, and we use that 2 points. This is one, and the other is somewhere here. We apply the same vertical or coincident between this point and this line and this point, and also here we draw a line from this point to this. And go back to here. I hope this is okay, and here is that point. Yes, it is. Good. This is an axis, not construction, excuse me, but center line. We have here a close contour, finish sketch, revolve, and we create a new solid, my friends. You see this? Not join, not cut, not intersect, but new solid. Here we see that 2 solids. Now you see this cylinder, this face, with the radius 32.5. We select the bottom face, this one. We project this arc. No, we have the center point here. We don't project anything. We draw a circle with a radius 32.5, you see, yes? To be sure, we project this circle, we make it construction and tangent here. Fully constrained sketch. Now we extrude in the other direction with not join but intersect. You see? Intersect of this solid with the other. Okay. We still have two solids here, but we don't want to have only to have two solids. This is why we combine this with this. Okay, now we have only one solid. We have to apply a fillet with a radius 50 to both sides. Select the edge, fillet 50, and also here. You see? Okay. Then we have to create this hole 32, 29, 5. We select again XY plane, F7, and we draw lines 1, 2, 3, up, vertical, then we apply center line and we go here. Okay, now we disable center line. Oh, I don't have this connection. Now I have. Okay, but it is a center line. Now I disabled it. We project this arc and we apply tangent. Okay, but this must be construction. Dimensions 32, 29, and 5. Good. Finish sketch, revolve, cut. Okay. Now we apply the tool shell to obtain this thickness of 2 millimeters. Shell 2 millimeters. We turn back the face to select this bottom face. We eliminate that face. Very nice object. Last is this hole, diameter of 10 through, at a distance of 30. We select this plane for a new sketch, circle, diameter of 10, same horizontal for these 2 points, and a distance of 30. Finish sketch. We apply extrude with cut all the way through the part. Okay. Now let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is identical with the former one. We keep this. Then the material is anything, ABS plastic, but with the polished face. This solution, and we select default lights. You can see that there is no difference between the two. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.